I will discuss the following topics in this lesson: definition of beam, uses of beam, clear span, effective span, cantilever beam, freely supported beam, fixed built-in or ENCASTER beam, continuous beam, overhanging beam, propped cantilever. Beam. A structural member, having length large compared to their cross-sectional dimensions, which are acted upon by a system of external forces at right angles to its longitudinal axis, is called a beam. Uses of beams. Beams are commonly used to support roofs in buildings. Clear span. The horizontal distance between the supporting walls is called the clear span of the beam. Effective span. The horizontal distance between the lines of action of the end reactions is called its effective span. Cantilever beam. A beam which is fixed at one end and the other end being free is called a cantilever. Freely supported beam. A beam with its ends resting freely on supports which may be walls or columns is called a freely supported beam. Fixed built-in or ENCASTER beam. A beam with its ends built in into the end walls is called a fixed built-in or ENCASTER beam. Continuous beam. A beam which has more than two supports is a continuous beam, being continuous over intermediate supports. Overhanging beam. If the beam extends beyond the supports on one or both sides is known as overhanging beam. Propped cantilever. If a cantilever beam having an additional support in the form of either hinge or roller is called propped cantilever. Thank you for watching this lesson.